Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the process of editing and how to use the preset. So what was the preset? Let's see. This one was the preset. The before image was like that, and after adding the preset you are getting like this. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications and amazing presets free of cost. Okay, I'm closing this up, and here the image I just downloaded this one for the example for you guys from the pixels.com. I'll provide you that download link in my video description as well for your practice purpose, and press Ctrl or Command J for the copy of the backup purpose, and I will edit this layer and giving the name edit. And after that, go to the filter, camera filter. You can check out your camera filter or filter portion. If camera filter is not in your Photoshop, please check out my video description and download that things and install it out. If you have camera filter already in your Photoshop, please check out the version which is the 12.3. Otherwise the panels would be not same as like me. Okay, fine. And here you are getting the panels like this, and if you are using the previous camera filter, that is totally different and you can't get the similarities like me. After that, here you'll find out a small menu. Go to the load settings options, and I'll provide you that preset download link, and you can just get that download link in my video description, the green forest example, and load it up. And after loading that, instantly you are getting the effects which is changed into the modern green forest. And let's see what I have used in a settings portion. In a basic panel, I added some settings over there. The temperature I made it like +8. That's why it's a little bit warmy here, and here you're getting some warm tone. And the exposure, that is 0, contrast 0, and highlight I made it like little bit plus value, which is the +16, and the shadow minus value, that is -10, and the white, that is 2. Black portion you're getting -14 for the blacks in the shadow areas, and the red and over there as well. And the texture, that is +7. That's why you're getting the full texture where the focused area. And the clarity -4. And for the face like clarity, I made it -4. And the vibrance, I made it desaturated. That means the mid-tone, I made it the minus value, that is -10. And now we'll go to the curves. Here I made the tone curve for the RGB tone curve. I made it like that. Here I locked it up, the input value 38 and output value 41. And here I made it a little bit down over there and locked up the area of that. And let's see the other colors. I didn't touch those things. And go to the detailing options. From here I'm getting the detail, the sharpening amount, that is 69, and the noise reduction 49, and the noise reduction of the color, that is 88, and all the sub values is same according to the main value. When you're getting the main value, you're getting the sub value automatically. That is I just fixed over there. If you need, you can change it out manually as your own preferences. Go to the color mixture panel, and here the hue, saturation, luminance. That means hue, which color, saturation, percentage of color, luminance, the intensity of the color. And now hue, the red hue, that is 44, and the saturation 26. If I go to the all portion, you are getting the all hue, saturation, and luminance. Let's discuss about that. The red hue 44, orange hue -13, and the yellow -60, green +44, aqua 69, and blue, that is -9. And the saturation, if I go to the red saturation, that is 26 actually, and the orange -9, and yellow, that is -26, and the green -100, aqua -100. That's why you're getting the moody green tone or modern type forest like that. And the blue +100, and I made it in a blue portion. And the red, that is the luminance portion, red 0, orange 0, and yellow -43, green -30, and aqua plus 50 and blue plus 23. And if I just collapse that portion and going to the split toning, that is most important for the photo editing. If you are the photo editor, you have to find out the perfect shadow and highlight tone in your photo editing. And if you want to make this one like customized, you can use the value, which is the hue value and saturation value. You have to just understand the hue is that things that driven where you are getting all the colors in your computer. And the saturation, the percentage. Suppose I am using the value of the number color is 195, and the saturation, that means percentage, if I make the percentage down, it will be like a changed color. But you have to find out the perfect value of the color and perfect saturation, that means the percentage of the color. In my case here, I highlight value, that is 195, the value of the color, and the saturation 38, and the shadow 219 for the shadow, the color value, and the saturation 20. And these three things I didn't use. Maybe I used here the 5, the grain, a little bit grain. If you need, you can't take the grain like 0%. If you don't want to add grain in your photo, you can make it 0. The vignetting minus 20, that's why you are getting the color black color like 4 sides of the photo. And here the primary color, 3 primary colors in a calibration portion. The red primary color, hue and saturation, hue value is minus 6 and the saturation 23, and the green primary plus 84 and the saturation plus 29, and the blue primary minus 6 and saturation 8, and hit the OK button. After adding the preset, you are getting amazing look in your photographs. Suppose in this photo, traditional conventional photo, and if you add the preset, it will be a creative looks, which is the green forest. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting or for finding out the amazing presets for you guys. Until the next video, I'm ASM signing out today. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.